Mariann, and this is Amy. Hello! She's pulling my hair right now. But today we are going to be learning about how you can read this book called Happy Pig's Day. It's from Piggie and Gerald. Maybe some of you know that, but probably you do know that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. As soon as I get up, woo! You can see us. I'm on my bed right now. So, with my baby sister. My mommy's in the bathroom taking a shower. So, while we are waiting, I got her phone right now. So, I'm using my mommy's phone to make a video. And you're going to love this. Just let me pause this and we'll show you. So, this says, Happy Pig's Day. The way how you can read this is happy pig day. So we are going to be reading this. This is Piggie right there. This is my friend Piggie. She's my favorite character in this book. So she's going to be in this book for a while or two. This girl right here, not these guys, will be in the book for the whole time. And this tiny guy, looking over here, he is Gerald. He is kind of sad that he cannot be a pig. So, it has Happy Pig's Day. Everything says Happy Pig's Day right now. Happy Pig's Day by Mo Willems. Gerald. Zip. This little book. Oh, Piggie. There's a word here. There's a little word. Let me see if I can find that little line. See this word? This says, so, I am so happy that today is the best day of the year. Today is free ice cream day? Free ice cream day? No. Today is Happy Pig's Day! Happy Pig's Day? Yes, Happy Pig's Day. The best day of the pig. It is the best day to have a pig party. It is the best day to sing pig songs. It is the best day to dance pig dances. It is the best day to eat pig food. Look at what food. She has cookies. She has some healthy stuff. She has cookies. Gerald's like, ooh. And Gerald's in this picture. He's like, oh. And he's like that. It is the best day to play pig games. Hold on, guys. Okay. I'm going to flip the page. It is the best day to say oink, oink, oink. That means Happy Pig's Day in pig. Oh. I did not know about Happy Pig's Day. Oink, oink, oink. Do you know where that's coming from? We're pigs. Oink, oink, oink. I'm not talking to you, Mommy. Oink, oink. Oink. Look at this little guy. Oink. Oink, oink, oink. That is a lot of pigs. Oink, oink, oink. They're not even realizing Gerald. Oink, oink, oink. Girl Piggie is here. She's the one who's standing upside down. Isn't this great, Gerald? Piggie says Gerald. Oh, look at Gerald. Look at Piggie. Piggie's like, what in the world? Are you okay, Gerald? I am sorry, Piggie. Oops, sorry. I am gray. I do not have a snout. I do not have hooves. I am not pink. I want to say Happy Pig's Day in pig, but I am not a pig. Aw, sad Gerald. Look at his face over here. Look at Gerald's face. Look at the Gerald. Look at Piggie's ear. Oh God. I am a elephant, and I do not belong. Oh, Gerald. Happy Pig's Day is not just for pigs. Happy Pig's Day is for anyone who loves pigs. Look who is in each one. Cat and a little squirrel who's in I Will Surprise My Friend. What do you say to that? Look at that guy. Ooh. It was just costumes. They're just wearing costumes. I say oink, oink, oink. They're all happy. Look at them all. Look at them all. They're all happy. Happy Pig's Day to everyone. Can you spot the pigeon? Pigeon's right over there. Thank you everyone for watching me read this super awesome book called Happy Pig's Day by Mo Willems. I really loved having you scenes, but today it's been a long day. But have a good day. So friends, stay reading, stay wild, and I'll see you on the next video. Toys and colors, Mom.